Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung dryer stuck on cooling in 2026. So the cooling phase is the final step where the heat is reduced before the cycle ends. So if the airflow is restricted or the sensors cannot detect proper conditions, the dryer stays stuck in the cooling mode. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start with the basics. So you need to simply remove the lint filter and then clean it completely. Even a thin layer of lint can reduce the airflow and trap the heat. After doing so, simply go behind the dryer and inspect the vent hose. Just make sure that it is not blocked or not crushed or bent. The restricted airflow is the most common reason the dryer cannot exit cooling. After doing this thing, you just have to check the outside vent where the hot air exists. Simply remove the lint buildup or obstructions. If air cannot escape the dryer, keeps cooling indefinitely. Now, sometimes too many clothes trap heat and the moisture. So this confuses the sensors and it also delays the cycle completion. So in that case, you can just simply run a smaller load and then you can test it again. Afterwards, you need to locate the moisture sensor inside the drum. Clean it gently with a cloth. If sensors are dirty, they cannot detect the dryness properly. So you can try all of these methods one by one and see if your Samsung dryer is now cooling properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.